Okay, awesome. We made it to the computer. So, as promised, we're going to walk through the secret affiliate machine, the strategic system we talked about on the whiteboard, and that I told you to go through so you know everything that we need to put in place in order to get people to funnel them through and make them more likely to use ClickFunnels, okay? So when you go to smartfunnelhacks.com, as I told you on the whiteboard, you will see the main landing page of our strategic system, okay? And as you can see, there's this video explaining everything in detail and, getting people excited to be interested in this opportunity because who doesn't want to make passive income online, okay? And if you walk through each and every step, you might see that these videos are very precisely put together so that, the people going through that system and going through that secret affiliate machine get pre-framed in a manner that they're excited about starting their own online business with ClickFunnels, okay? So there's this video, hopefully you watched it, just so you gotta know the system that you are putting in place. So when you send traffic and visitors to your own secret affiliate machine, to your own strategic system, what they will see and what they have to expect, okay? So, there's this first pre-frame video, and then there's this email submit form, okay? So people can put in their email address and then submit and move to the second step, okay? So, and then they go here, which is step number 2, saying launch the secret affiliate machine, okay? And this video basically explains them that in order for them to make money online, just as I, explained everything very thoroughly on the whiteboard, we are going to use affiliate marketing. And that's basically what this video is all about, explaining people the concept of affiliate marketing and how they are going to be making money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, okay? And then it directs them to saying, listen, we got the system, you can copy the system, but in order for you to copy it, you need the platform where the system, our strategic system, can run on, okay? So, there's this button saying start your free ClickFunnels account so people can sign up, right? And once we will import your funnel, and we are going to go through that step by step, I will show you how you can import the secret affiliate machine itself, of course, but then put in your affiliate link right here on that button. So when you send people through your strategic system, they will sign up with you as their affiliate, okay? And you will earn the commissions. So hopefully you watched the video, so I won't explain it any further. So once they did that, they can move to step number 3, okay? Which is this one. Import your copy of the secret affiliate machine. Now, this step is basically just a technical explanation of where they need to go inside of their ClickFunnels account and how they can import this very funnel they're going through at that moment, and how to make it basically their own, and how they can exchange the button from the second step with their own affiliate link, okay? And we're going to do that in a very thorough way. I'm explaining everything to you. Okay, so that's basically the third step. And I kind of tweaked the whole system because the original funnel, the original secret affiliate machine, is kind of a little bit different. But I optimized the whole process, the whole funnel basically, so that people are more likely to stick and follow through on becoming a ClickFunnels user and then basically promoting ClickFunnels themselves, okay? So, but I will talk more about that in the upcoming lectures. So once they did that, and using this button, right, which directs them to the import of this very funnel, they can go to the next step, which is step number 4, saying get traffic to your secret affiliate machine, right? Because you can have the best funnel, you can have the best offer, but unless people see it, you know, nothing's going to happen. So in this video, which is 17 minutes long, the guy talks about the traffic source called Traffic for Me, which is basically a solo ad vendor. And we're going to cover a bunch of other and, you know, this very technique as well. And I'm explaining to you in detail which traffic source is best targeted to which potential customers. Okay, so don't get confused about this because we are going to cover it. So, and then, you know, people can click here, which is basically directing them to Traffic for Me, right? Where they can buy solo ads or basically buy clicks to their own secret affiliate machine, right? And by that, you know, people go through the funnel and can sign up themselves, okay? And I added a second method of traffic, also a solo ad vendor, which is called Udemy. And, you know, it's just basically, I added that step in order for people to have like an option to, if they don't like Traffic for Me, you know, they always have a backup, okay? So, and once they did that, they go to the final step, okay, which I tweaked very much, saying congratulations, your machine is launched. Now the video was basically just congratulating people on, you know, finishing setting up their own affiliate machine, right? And what I did right here, and what you can copy too once you import your secret affiliate machine, your strategic system from, you know, basically you copy My Very Business, which you see right on the screen right now. What I implemented in this is basically a service somebody else set up, which basically allows people to pay a little bit of money and then get their own secret affiliate machine set up by these guys, okay? So if some of your visitors, right, if you import the funnel and you send traffic to it, and some of your visitors might be interested in the idea and might want to follow through, but they just lack the, you know, confidence technically or otherwise to really follow through and set everything up themselves. This is a great way to make them stick, because you offer them basically an alternative to, hey, if you're having trouble setting this up, don't worry, because these guys can set it up for you, okay? So it basically increases the likelihood of them sticking with ClickFunnels and basically promoting it themselves, okay? And then, you know, there's just an overview of like some calculations, how much they can potentially earn and stuff. And then there's some additional resources, you know, basically all of these are helping them in a way to better understand what this whole affiliate marketing thing is about and what this whole SAM funnel is about, secret affiliate machine thing is about. So all of this on the final page is basically just helping them to follow through on this, okay? So if you import it, it will help you as well. Awesome. And then, you know, they can join the Facebook community, the Facebook group, which, you know, you can change that if you want, but right now it directs them to the Facebook group. You also can join through this Udemy course. And which is awesome, because people sometimes they get lost, you know, they need to ask somebody who may be a bit further than them in this whole thing. And it basically also is another tool to make them stick, because you give them the feeling of, hey, you know, there's people helping you out if you need help, okay? So that's basically it. That's a secret affiliate machine, and that is our strategic tool we use to funnel people through, right? Because as we said on the whiteboard, if we just took our affiliate link from ClickFunnels, right, and sent people straight to it, you know, we'd lose the majority of those people, and probably only 1 or 2% would sign up, you know? And with this funnel, all we do is basically we increase the likelihood of them sticking with ClickFunnels, because we give them an actual reason to use it, right? They need to use ClickFunnels so they can promote ClickFunnels with this funnel and import that funnel into their account. Okay, you with me? Awesome. So that's basically it in practice. Okay, and we are going to set this up very strategically and way better than, you know, all of these videos explain it, because they're pretty short and you know, not very thorough. Okay, so, and finally, before we move on to actually putting the steps in place, I wanted you to visit smartfunnelhacks.com/Udemy, okay? Because this is the page that basically will give you access to all of the resources we are going to use in this Udemy course, okay? So when you go to smartfunnelhacks.com/Udemy, you will need to put in your email, right? Which should be the same email you use for your Udemy account, so I can verify that you are part of this course. And once you put in your email and click the unlock your free resources and bonuses now, you will be directed to this page, which is basically all of the tools and resources we are going to use in this course, okay? So in the upcoming lectures, you will see me referring back to this website, which I set up, so you can easily access all the resources we need in order to set this up for you in a right and correct manner, okay? So I'm very excited about you getting started, and I hope that you can't wait to actually put the pieces together and make this work for you, because it has shown great results to me. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways you can start making passive income right now. Because as I said, the only job you have to do is to drive traffic to an already pre-made funnel that's optimized to convert people into ClickFunnels users, okay? So that's basically it, and we're gonna cover it all. And if you have any questions, as I said in probably every lecture, just leave them in the Q&A section, or you can go and scroll all the way down on this resource page and click here to join our exclusive Facebook group now, okay? And once you click that, you will be directed to the Smart Funnel Hacks, the Secret Affiliate Machine Masterclass group, okay? So, and you can post your questions in there if you like, but you can also use the Q&A. So I'm excited, as I said, and now let's get started with the very first step of implementing this, namely, which is creating your own ClickFunnels account.